Hello and welcome back to my Forex DNA's trading. I'm sorry I was off for a while there. I have been busy with other things. I have just started trading again this week. Today was my last night, actually was my first trading day again for this year. I have rehosted my website to a different hosting company and it is still under construction. However, feel free to visit there and register for the free videos. And let's get started. This is the USD Japanese pair, and I have drawn the Fibonacci's as well as some trend lines. And let me walk you through my analysis and how I place my trades. On the daily chart, I found that there is a trend line occurring both on the top as well as on the bottom side, and that the pair was trading within that trend line. All I did was I joined this high and the line has formed, and over here I've joined this bottom and this bottom, and I let the lines extend themselves. Now, last night when I was analyzing my trades, this is today's candle. This is today evening's candle, which is the next trading day for tomorrow. It begins at 5 p.m. and the markets was somewhere here when I was doing my analysis. All I was looking for is some confirmation that yes, this trade is going to remain within this channel. The moment I saw the downward candle starting to form, I switched my view to a narrower time frame. This is the daily chart, and I went down to an hourly chart from here. And when you go in the hourly chart, some interesting things were occurring last night, and I believe I was somewhere in this range around here when I placed my trades. What I had noticed was that there was a lower low occurring. I was somewhere in this area, and as I was analyzing the markets and I noticed that there were certain lower lows occurring, I decided I will place a short trade. I was somewhere in this range, and since this high did not cross this high, I said, all right, it seems I'm in the right track. From the 60-minute, I moved further down to the 15-minute charts, and what I had noticed was the market was starting to be within these two trend lines. And you can see over here, this was the low. It then formed a new low. As you can see over here, it formed a new low. The candles did cross below, but did not form a new high. This was the previous high, created a lower high, formed a new low, did not form a higher high, and has continued to fall below. So on that basis, I placed my stop just above the previous high, and I let the trades ride. Let me show you the trades that I did place. I placed the trades to go short. I placed 3 trades last night. The first one was to go short. All 3 was short. My entry point was at 92.10. My stop was at 92.45, which was just above the last high, which was right around here. This is my stop. One trade is still open. And I booked the first profit at 25 pips. The limit was 91.85. The second limit was at 91.6, captured 50 pips additional. And I was going in for a very open trade for my third lot. So I had a potential loss of 35 pips per lot. It was an easy trade for me. I today am over 180 pips in the plus. Let me run a report so that you can see what it shows. basically these 3 trades have netted me over 181 pips. And the way I did those trades, the idea is that I have left 1 trade open. I might move my entry point, my stop to my entry point, and that way it would become a free trade for me going forwards. So the first trade closed for a profit of 27 pips, 54 pips. This report shows it in dollars, but these are pips. And then they approximate to 50 and 25 pips. And the open position that I have is netting me approximately 90 or odd so pips, which basically brings me, and I have a negative interest for my carry trade of 59 pips. I mean, sorry, a 1 pip. My profit, booked profit, is about 82 pips. My floating profit is about 111 pips. And so I am in the plus by 192 pips for $192, or what one can say is 1 pip is roughly $1, which gets me about 192 pips for the day. Not bad, given that these were meant to be scalping trades. Now, I don't sit in front of my computer and watch my trades. I kind of place my stops and losses and then let it continue from there. And what my intention right now is, I will probably move my stop from this position here, and I might bring it to my open position, which is over here. This is where I entered the market, and let it ride for some more time. There is enough room still on the downside. If I go back to the daily or hourly charts, you can see there is enough room on the downside. Let me switch to the daily view. There is enough room on the downside for the market to play out. So there is no need for me, really, there's so much room left. There's no need for me to rush into trying to close this trade, because I will not be able to enter again at this price over here. So perfect timing. Was lucky to find a trade. I've been analyzing the market for the first week of January, trying to get back into Forex, and found an opportunity, and there we are. So hope you find this useful. I do intend to post more videos going forward. Do visit my website, my new website. It is still under construction, so bear with it as I make changes to it. I'm not the one making changes, I'm getting the changes done, so bear with me for a few days or weeks, depending on how it goes. And good luck with your trades. I will allow you to post comments on my website as well, and hopefully you find this useful. Good luck with your trades, and see you in the next video soon.